What is up, Sandwich Squad? It is time to make a sandwich. So the first thing we got to do is align our axis of sandwich, otherwise known as the sandwich axis. But today we are going to be aligning it with the local gravitational field known as down. So that's our first piece of bread plopped right there. That's good stuff. Now, the next part of this is not agreed upon globally in the sandwich community, but I like to put the cheese on first. So, or second, rather. This is first. So we're going to put our cheese just nice, homogeneously spaced. And now next in the complicated process of sandwich making is we're going to put on some ham. Just nicely placed, coming fresh from the loins of a dead cow. And now we're going to put on what's it called? What's it?
Bread.
We're gonna be putting on the last slice of bread, bread. And there you have it. That's our sandwich. Sorry, I'm moving around the sandwich axis a little bit right now. Realign it to the gravitational field, and that is going to be our sandwich for today. So remember to like, subscribe, and share with your sandwich-loving friends so we can grow the sandwich squad. That's right. See ya later, sandwich makers.
One take.